New Windows 11 security update breaking classic Outlook with PST files? So let's learn how to fix it. Hi, my name is Szymon Bochniak, I'm Microsoft MVP, and today together with Stellar I want to deliver you the guideline how to fix broken Outlook application with unfortunately many times broken PST files after January 2026 security update for Windows 11 KB5074109. So if your computer is broken after these updates, learn how to fix it. Unfortunately, the new security update provided by Windows Update by Microsoft to Windows 11 KB5074109 breaking classic Outlook applications. A lot of apps are freezing, hanging and not working for the end user, which leads a lot of times to breaking the PST files for the users who using POP authentication, so classic approach when you loading all the emails from the mail server and do not left any copy in there. So if your PST will be broken, you will lose all of your data. Microsoft investigating this issue and looking for the possibility to provide a fix, but still whenever your PST file will be broken, you will need to face that challenge and fix it as soon as possible. And together with Stellar, I prepared for you instruction how to fix that problem if your mailbox is broken. Stellar prepared detailed instruction, step-by-step guideline how to fix that problem on your local PC, and I will show you few steps which you can execute to help yourself with your Outlook application. So if your mailbox will not work, localize that kind of location on your local PC where you will be able to execute Microsoft Outlook inbox repairer. The only thing that you will need to do here is to localize your local PST file and trying to fix it. Not every time this solution will work, but this could be the first option to help you to resolve that problem. If this application will not work, then you will need to switch to Outlook PST repair tool provided by Stellar, where you can open your mailbox PST file for the mailbox, analyze it and try to repair it to be sure that you will not lose your data, your emails, critical informations in the Outlook application. All the links, all the information I'm sharing in this video, you will find also in the description. Microsoft support article, link to the Microsoft PST fixing solution, and also link to the Stellar Outlook repair tool that could help you to resolve the problems with your Outlook applications, like on the screen. All the links to the documentations, to the articles, to the tools I'm sharing in this video, you will find in the description. Follow this guideline. In the worst scenario, after fixing the PST, you will still face the problems with your mailbox. Probably it will be required to uninstall this update from your PC, but do that as a last possible step because this is security update for your PC. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you will be able to fix your problems with the Outlook, and see you in the next video.